Does it ever feel as if you keep getting the same reaction or response from the people that are closest to you? Perhaps this has left you continually feeling hurt, lonely, or misunderstood. If you've ever secretly felt that maybe some part of you isn't enough or maybe too much, I assure you, you are not alone. Hi, I'm Petrik, and I'm inviting you to join me for a powerful weekend learning how and why these experiences get triggered. In this supportive group workshop, Keeping the Love You Find, you will learn what's at the root of these patterns and how to create lasting change so you can have more satisfying and successful relationships. I hope you'll join me and spend an exciting, transformative weekend compassionately exploring you in relationship. Follow the link below for more information and how to register. I hope to see you there.